How do, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's the Auction Blazeman here, and today I'm going to do a review, well not review, well an unboxing shall we say, of a new item I've purchased. This is a Victorinox dual knife sharpener. So, just get into it. So, taking it out of the package, we have a black plastic sheath with a red clip with Victorinox, the Victorinox name in white. Now, it is made in Germany. As it, if you take the top off, it says made in Germany. So, that automatically tells me this is a good quality thing because the Germans have made it. So, what do we have? We have a V sharpener here, and if you take off the bottom half, we have a ceramic knife sharpener. Now, on the package, it has some instructions, so it shows you what to do. So if you want to sharpen on the ceramic, you have to sharpen at a 20-degree angle. And it gives a demonstration here, promoting the Swiss Army knife, of course. And if you want to using the V sharpener, you turn the knife upside down on its back and go along. Or, you can, I take out my Swiss Army knife, I know mad, you can run it across like that if you wanted to. So I'm going to demonstrate how good this is. So I'm going to sharpen one of two knives, a Victorinox Nomad and a CRKT late one, a Forstmann Tanto. So let's get into it. So I shall take a piece of papa and show you the sharpness so far of this Tanto. It's alright, you can do it with a touch up. So, you take said knife, I want to try to find a way that, well, it's got like this. I'm going to give it a touch up. Now what this does, it takes off, it cleans the blade and it shaves off the metal. Unfortunately it's catching on there, but this is a work knife so I don't really care. Now for the Tanto point. I picked this up on Amazon for £7, reduced from 15. I've always wanted a more pocket-friendly sharpener, and this has provided me with one. Now, I don't think there's a much point sharpening up the Tanto bit here because it's never really used, but I thought I would. So, I've given it a few strokes as you can see. And that slices nicely. So that was the V sharpener. Next, I'm going to show you. I'm going to get paper. The Nomad. So Nomad. Yeah, totally nothing there. So we're going to use the ceramic sharpener. If nothing blows away, because it is quite windy. So we take the sharpener, 20-degree angle, and one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Now it's important when you're using a ceramic sharpener to remember remember how many times you've done it, because it sharpens each side up. So that is much sharper than it was before, which is a plus. So, for the price you get, this is an excellent quality pocket sharpener. The reason why I say this is because you're getting a two-way system and you're getting compatibility. Now, this sharpener can easily fit in your pocket like so, because if I do a size comparison, if I take my Swiss Army knife and zoom out, oh, wrong way, zoom in, my apologies, if I zoom out and take a Nomad, it's just a bit bigger than a Nomad, so it's got no problem being in your pocket. So this has been a review of the Victorinox dual pocket sharpener. If you liked it or got any questions, if you've got any questions, leave them down below. I'll answer them for you. And please like it and support my channel. If you're going to be more extreme than that, subscribe to my channel because it will help me grow. Please also check out my Instagram at Yorkshire Blazeman. I'll be posting an image of that on it, and I've got a few images on there now. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.